Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. We're just going to continue along in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. Again, there is a link down below, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to follow along with me. So it looks like today we're going to start with puzzle number 45. Let's see. Start with this column here. We've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so that could be 5 or 9. We've got a 5 over this box, so 3 or 9, 3 or 9. That means that our 5 has to be down here. If we work on this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 and a 9 there, so our 6 is here. We've got a 1 here, so this is our 9, this is our 1. If we do this bottom row, looks like we're missing a 2, a 4, and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so that could be a 2 or a 4. And we've got a 4 covering this box, a 2 there. So this has to be our 8, our 2, and our 4. If we work on this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 there. So this is our 6. This is our 5. Finish out this row. It looks like we're missing a 2. And for this box, 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 5, and we don't have any help. So 3 or 5, 3 or 5. All right, let's finish this column. 1, 2, 3. So we're missing a 4. All right, what do we want to do next? Let's work on this column here. It looks like we're missing a 1, a 3, a 7, and an 8. We've got a 1 there, so 3, 7, 8. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 3, 8. A 7 here, 1, 3, 8, and an 8 there, so 1, 3, 7. All right, let's work on this column. We're missing a 1, 3, 6, 7. Since we have a 6 and 7 here, means this could be 1 or 3, and this could be 1 or 3. We've got a 1 there, so 3, 6, 7, and a 3 there, and a 6 there. So 1 or 7. But because we've got these two numbers in these two boxes, and 6 and 7 cannot be up here, then one of these two has to be the 1, which would make this our 7. If we get rid of that and using the same reasoning, if the 3 has to be one in these two, then it can't be here. So this is our 6. All right, work on this box here. We're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 there. So this is our 4. This is our 3. We can work on this row. 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 6 here. So this is our 7. We've got a 6 here, so that's our 4, and this is our 6. If we work on this column, looks like we're missing a 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 there, so 2 or 9, and no help in either of these two, so 2, 8, or 9, 2, 8, or 9. If we work on this row, it looks like we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 and a 5 here, so this is our 8. A 1 here, so this is our 5, and there's our 1. And then because of that 8 there, we can get rid of this 8. Oh, and we've already got our 7, so this has to be our 3. So then we're just missing a 9 for that box. If we work on this box, looks like we're missing a 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 there, so this is our 7. and no help for the other two. So this could be a 2 or an 8, 2 or an 8. But if we look back here now, we've got this 5 here, which means this is our 3 and this is our 5. All right, just checking back here. Because of this 3, we can get rid of this 3 and this 3 and this 3. But the 7 can't be here or here, so this has to be our 7. So if we work on this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and a 9. We don't have any help. So 3 or 9, 3 or 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 2 or 6, because of that 8 and this 6. This has to be our 2, which makes this our 6, and this our 8. So then this would be our 2. And let's see, because of this 2, we can get rid of this 2 here. All right, if we work on this column, we're missing 1 and 8. Again, we've got the 8 there. And it looks like we made a mistake somewhere again because of that 8. We need an 8 for this column, but it can't be anywhere in those boxes. So that is today's puzzle. All right, well, thank you for joining me again. Come back tomorrow for our next puzzle. And thank you for joining me.